Hosting the WCF services in IIS. WCF service in IIS is perhaps the easiest method. It is a straightforward process for the developers who are familiar with ASP.NET websites and SMX web services, because the WCF service is also hosted in IIS in similar manner. Also, IIS takes care of creation of service instances, disposal of service instances, recycling and other activities that it does for ASP.NET website. It treats a WCF service like an ASP.NET website and provides all the features of having multiple request handling and dynamic compilation to a WCF service out of the box. Creating the service library. Step 1. Open Visual Studio 2010 or above version. File. Add. Project. Select WCF, then select WCF Service Library, then click on OK button. Step 2. In this service we create a simple data contract called person, which will keep the username, and add single method servicee contract that will take the person and return a string with containing the greeting message. Step 3. We will create the class that will implement the service contract. Step 4. To check the working of the service we can simply run the WCF Service Library project. Right-click on project name, select bug, then click on Start New Instance. Step 5. This tool can be used to test the calls to the service and response from the service. Hosting the service in IIS. Step 6. Create a new website, specifically WCF service website. Right-click on Solution and add new website. Step 7. Then run service.svc file. Self-hosting the service. For self-hosting, create console application that will host the service, open the service and close the service. Step 8. Add below code program.cs file in console application. Step 9. Run this console application. Consuming the WCF service. Step 10. Once we have the console application created, let us add two service reference to it. One for the IIS hosted service, another for the self-hosted service. Step 11. Once we add the service reference, the client-side endpoints have already been configured in the app.config file. For now we will use this configurations only. Adding the service reference. Also created the proxy classes for the service. So let us see how we can use these proxy classes to call our IIS-hosted and self-hosted WCF service. Step 12. And when we run the application. For training, support and consulting inquiries, mail us training@bispsolutions.com. Our website is www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.